Oh yes, my guys. Greetings and salutations, YouTube, the World Wide Web. As you guys can see in live HD, it's your host with the most, Paul Cantu, back with a brand new tutorial video. Now, it has been an absolute minute since I did one of these, but as you guys know, there are three things that I love in this life. Clothes, as you guys can see, art, it's what you interpret it to be, and plans. So today I'm gonna combine all three of them,
y'all,
into one video and customize some denim jorts.
What are those?
The barbecue exclusive, what every father loves to rock as he flips some meat on the grill. And yeah, dude, I'm gonna throw some sunflowers on these bad boys straight at the family Asteraceae to match my Tweety sunflower encrusted vintage t-shirt. So yeah, man, today I'm gonna show you guys how to paint on denim, how to customize some shorts, and this same process can be applied to pretty much anything that is made out of denim. Now, before we get into this, please like the video. It really helps my channel get discovered, and especially when I spend a lot of time on the tutorial, it really does help your boy. So smash the like button, turn on the bell, and subscribe. But without further ado, let's get to customizing these jorts. Okay, my guys, so first things first in this tutorial, you gotta know where you're gonna begin the custom. And to begin a custom, you need some jorts. So where'd I get mine? Obviously in the thrift shop. So what I have on are some Levi's 505s right here, a nice kind of tapered fit. Now what you'll commonly see are Levi's 550s, and these kind of have a flare out at the bottom. They are common. Either way, it's not that much of a difference. If you're rocking jorts, you might as well just pull it off. These fit good, so this is what I am going to customize, is what's on leg right now. So, first thing you need to do is make a demarcation line. So you lay down the t-shirt comfortably, then you get a pencil, and you just put a bunch of marks, and you kind of got to draw heavily, okay? Don't stab yourself, don't come too far across, okay? You might puncture a family jewel, or a taco, okay? Let's be real. So you just make the lines, then once you have them drawn, look at that, that's a line right there. You know where you're gonna begin the customization process. Speaking of which, let's get it started. So first things first, my guys, you need some paint. So I use a mixture of Angelus leather acrylic paint, which is extremely durable, and Walmart acrylic paint. So then I threw in a little Triscuit box fragment made of cardboard into the short leg. That way it'll stop the paint from bleeding through the denim. And the first two colors are gonna be white and Angelus yellow leather paint. Now the Walmart white is fine, it's cheap. It will stay on the pants when you wash them, so don't even worry about that. The only reason I use some Angelus is because it's literally designed to go on leather shoes. So it is durable, it's bendable, it's malleable with fabric, and it overall is high quality. A bit more expensive, but if you want some, link in video description. Oh man, this girl's voice is angelic, guys. Alright, so the first thing I did was mix the yellow and white together, and I started blocking in the center of the sunflower. I used the t-shirt as my muse, as my inspiration, and I tried to recreate it. So I used that light pale yellow I made to block in all of the petals of the sunflower and overall create a beautiful dynamic shape. Now, if you guys aren't comfortable with freestyling off the dome, of course you can use a pencil to draw your design, but I just like going straight in, raw status on the thigh of these jorts. Once the light yellow was applied, I had to block in the interior of the sunflower with a nice buttercup color scheme. This light orange yellow definitely set this thing off, and I apply about 2 to 3 coats of paint to create a nice, vibrant, bright, and overall good looking painting on the denim. The denim will absorb a lot of the color, so that's why it's crucial to add multiple layers of paint on this thing. Ride out with me. So once I had 3 coats of paint applied on the petals, I went in with the Beautimus Buttercup and I started adding some details on the petals. Blending, doing some slight shading, but nothing too crazy, nothing overly photorealistic, just using lines to build up an image. So I added all the color where it was needed. Again, just trying to match the sunflowers to the t-shirt to my best ability. So the third color I added was this rich brown to really darken the darks and add some more detail to the center of the sunflower. Now sunflowers are full of seeds. Don't get it twisted, man. These flowers be breeding, bruh. So I started using pointillism to dot in all the seeds where they needed to go. Then I continued using the brown on the petals of the flower, as I did with the buttercup color scheme, and this really started building the image to my liking, my preference, and my taste. It actually looks like a sunflower, goddammit. Riddle me this, what would a flower be without its leaves? I used the light green paint to layer the leaves behind the sunflower image, and this really started building up and adding three-dimensionality to the design. Oh yeah, dude. If you thought I was done with just one flower, boy, were you wrong. I had to add another one on the side, and I built it up the same way I started the previous flower. Now the same process for the flower goes for the leaves. I had to lighten the lights and darken the darks and really build up the leafiness of the leaf. You dig? Ooh, y'all feeling this slow-mo? So here are both flowers at 90% completion, but the last thing I had to do was outline them in black. Now I got a detail brush, the black paint, and I applied it to all the edges, and it really helped clean up this entire design. And furthermore, it added a nice contrast of the flower from the denim jorts. And you guys already know, man, I had to implement my steady hand perk to the max to clean up this entire sunflower. And my God, was I satisfied with the outline. Now the last thing I had to do was outline the seeds, so I whipped out the fine-tipped Sharpie and I went to work, really creating a beautimous, thin, saucy, and sexy outline. And here, my friends, are the shorts completed. Yes, I threw another flower on the opposite thigh, and overall, I'm very satisfied with the way all three of these flowers look. Here it is on body, baby. Yes sir, indeed, Leo. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's vid. I definitely have fun making these shorts. They look pretty good if I say so myself. You guys already saw them on body. What am I doing? I don't even know. But hey, if you guys did enjoy, the best way to support me is to smash the like button on this video. This took hours upon hours to make, and just clicking the like button in a fraction of a second will really help this video get seen by others and will help my hard work pay off. So please do that. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys want to see other tutorials, I have a second channel called Paul Plant 2 with gardening content. Link is in the video description. Check that out. I drop vids on a weekly basis. But you guys viewing this was more than enough in my humble opinion, and I definitely do appreciate it. So until next time, live the dream, eat that ice cream. I'm locked, I'm loaded, and I'm out. See ya. Hey, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys want me to do next as well. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving them bloody like Parustu. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.